heavily. Samsung Galaxy X launch date is tomorrow, February 20th, at the firm's Galaxy S10 event in San Francisco. We may have already had a look at the Samsung Galaxy X, or Samsung Galaxy F, Samsung Galaxy Fold or Samsung Galaxy Flex as it might be called, at the Samsung Developer Conference back in November 2018, but we're expecting a full-on launch of the device now. The 4.5-inch external screen, 7.3-inch Infinity Flex internal screen are about the only hard specs we know. We don't have details about the camera, the battery capacity or processor. However, I'd put my money on the foldable phone using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 that we know will also be in the Galaxy S10. A phone that's balancing battery resources and performance across two screens will need speed and power efficiency to keep the battery life from plummeting as you switch between screens throughout the day. Storage size, a headphone jack, external storage capacity and waterproofing are still unknowns. The battery will be 4600 mAh. It's easy to guess that this will be an expensive device. Those prices slot in with what we already know of foldable phones. The Royole FlexPai aimed at developers costs $1,318 for a device with 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The version with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage goes for $1,469. Phone makers will likely embed 3 or 4 modules in their devices, spreading them out across the phone so the device always gets a signal from one module if the others are covered by a hand. So here's the final spaces about Galaxy X. Let's see what happened on 20 February. We will upload new video about confirmed spaces of Galaxy X, so if you don't want to miss it then subscribe this channel now. Bye bye.